Good morning. It is Friday, another week in the books. The weather's not getting warmer yet, though. I need warm weather. It's almost baseball season. It's almost growing season. It is Commodity Corner, and we've been nailing these commodities pretty well, and I think that you'll see the overall pattern continue as we take a look at the crude oil market. Continues to work its way lower. Okay? Again, we found a level. We thought about it. We said, look for it, and it has continued its way lower. Gold is in a severe downtrend, and at this point, the 1550 level held, and it looks to go lower. Look for, when you find an obvious trend, as in gold. Crude was not as obvious. When you find an obvious trend in gold, your objective is to continue to look to sell that product at every level. The same as what we've been talking about in the grains, in the soft goods. Those are the soybeans and wheat are definitely in bear markets. Corn a little bit less, but in a downward market. Those types of markets you want to look to sell on every rally. You ride her till she bucks you, and then you get off. Okay? And that's the focus that you want to look at. Is you want to look for opportunity. Now, what have we seen starting to happen as well? The U.S. dollar has started to gain strength. What is that telling us? A stronger dollar also denotes lower commodity prices. Why? Because they're all benchmarked in U.S. dollars. Okay? So the euro currency was trading $1.37 about 3 weeks ago. Now it's trading $1.30, under $1.30. What does that indicate? Well, it indicates a little bit of fear in the overall economies. Stronger dollars, stronger bond markets indicate another way of protecting fear and protecting assets. Because when people get concerned, they run to the U.S. dollar and the U.S. Treasury market. That in itself should start to bring down commodity prices. Okay? So it's something that you have to take a look at. It's something that usually correlates. But the real thing that always correlates is the pattern. Gold, downtrend. Crude, turning over. Wheat, soybeans, corn, downtrend. Wheat and soybeans, bear markets. Okay? These are things that we want to focus on. Forget about, you hear them talking about the drought and all the problems with this stuff. Well, in the meantime, in the height of it, soybeans were $19. Today they're $14.70. Okay? That's a bear market. Okay? Wheat was $10. It's $7. That's a bear market. That's what our focus has to be. Okay? Follow the charts, and if we talked about it yesterday, follow the money. My predictions for the week. So last week we were pretty close. This week we're going to look for, I'm going to look for this week to be a sell-off week in the Dow. I'm going to look for a 2 to 3% drop in the week. First time I've called for that big of a drop. I'm going to look for gold to continue lower. I want to watch that 1550 level. If it breaks, it's going into the 1400s. I'm going to call for crude to probably have a little bit of a bounce here. I wouldn't be surprised to see it trade back up to the 93, 94 level. I'm going to look for the grain markets to continue to sell off. Everybody have a great weekend. Hope you enjoyed the show. For Friday and for the week, the Bubba Show. We'll talk to you on Monday. Take care, everybody.